DS Cloud. What is it? How does it work? How do you access it? And how does it benefit you? Well, I'll explain everything in less than 60 seconds. Let's go. DS Cloud is Delphi's diagnostic data backup solution for both our DS Car and DS Heavy Duty software. It's available to all customers through DS Hub, and you can access it even if your diagnostic license is expired. Whether you have Bluetech or Mini VCR, you can register, and best of all, it's completely free of charge. You simply register your device, and then automatically everything you do with your diagnostic tool, it's backed up to the cloud. Imagine having a snapshot of how every vehicle enters your workshop. Well, with DS Cloud, you only have to run a scan while you're putting the vehicle on the ramp, and you've got just that. It's going to help protect your business when that customer comes back to complain that after you've replaced the suspension, the engine light is now on. Using DS Cloud, you can see that there was already a fault stored for the lambda sensor before you even started work. DS Cloud gives you backups, insights, and protection, all from DS Hub. Less than 60 seconds, not bad. So to get started, register directly from DS Hub, or if you haven't got DS Hub yet, it can be downloaded free of charge from delphiautoparts.com.